Today I'm going to react to Aurora. I will react to The Flood, her latest release, and the orchestral version of Runaway that she put on her YouTube channel. I think we've all heard this song. This was such a popular one. I remember discovering it as a teen and being completely mesmerized by her. And I love orchestral versions, and I think that the version of Runaway is going to be absolutely beautiful, so I'm low-key expecting to cry in this video. So yeah, we'll see how it's going. Aurora is one of the coolest artists of our generation, I think. Also, I can't close my door. It is not cooperating, but anyway. I have to admit I haven't checked her out in a while, which is why I wanted to go back to her on my YouTube channel, but I've always admired how authentic and grounded she seems to be. I really love the softness in her voice and the themes she explores in her songs, and especially how she sings about nature, so I think I'm going to love the Runaway orchestral version so much. I am so excited to react to her today. It's a bit different than the many rock reactions that I did recently, but I still want to give a bit more space to alternative women, which is why I want to react to Aurora today. I am super excited. Before I start, I want to give a huge shout out to my amazing Patreons. Thank you so much for going the extra mile to support my channel. I appreciate it more than you know. Okay, let's get started with The Flood by Aurora. I'm really curious. Let me put my headphones in, and I hope she does not make me cry with the first song. I hope this one is fun. She really sounds like a fairy. She sounds like nature is singing, honestly. So I read through some comments like rapidly, and it seems like this song is about anxiety, and yeah, it's a beautiful way of singing about it. I didn't want to cry on the first song because I feel like I might cry to Runaway, honestly, if I let myself go and I lose myself into her music. And it seems that this release was not planned, as I'm saying in the comment section of this video, so hopefully we're getting more Aurora soon. This would be exciting. Also, the visualizers were very soft. I really liked them. I love her makeup, like the little line that she has in her eyes, and I really like the color that she's wearing. She really looks like a flower, and she's so beautiful. And I love her soft movements, you know, she seems like she's really in tune with what she wants to do, and it even translates in her body language, which is super nice and inspiring to see. Enough of me rambling. Let's check out the orchestral version of Runaway. Pray for me. Okay, let's go. No, wait, I'm gonna take some tissues first, because I'm a crier, so yeah, no, I need my tissues. Hopefully I don't cry though. Let's go. Because I love this song, you know.
I was listening to the ocean. I saw a face in the sand, but when I picked it up, then it vanished away from my hands. I had a dream I was 7, climbing my way in a tree. I saw a piece of heaven waiting impatient for me, and I was running far away. Would I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. I was dancing in the rain, I felt alive and I can't complain. But no, take me home where I belong. I can't take it anymore. I was painting a picture. The picture was a painting of you, and for a moment I thought you were here, but then again it wasn't true. And all this time I have been lying, lying in secret to myself. I've been putting sorrow on the forest place on my shelf. And I was running far away. Would I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. And I was dancing in the rain, I felt alive and I can't complain. But no, take me home where I belong. I got no other place to go. No, take me home where I belong. I got no other place to go. No, take me home where I belong. I can't take it anymore. But I kept running for a soft place to fall. And I kept running for a soft place to fall. And I kept running for a soft place to fall. And I kept running for a soft place to fall. And I was running far away. Would I run off the world someday? But no, take me home where I belong. I got no other place to go. No, take me home where I belong. I got no other place to go. No,
This was even better than I thought it would be, because when like they wrote orchestral version, I expected something very booming, very loud, but it was perfectly soft, just like she is. Like, it was perfectly in tune with her and the song, and it was very dainty and low-key magical. This was very beautiful. I know some people find it dumb to cry, but music makes me very emotional, and this is Aurora, so... And I don't know, oh, sorry, okay, let me speak like 2 seconds, but like, I don't know, this song, she released it so young, and she's grown so much. Like, she's such a great artist, and she's gone so far. She really deserves where she is today, and I don't know, reminiscing, like, releasing another version of this song that is kind of the one that made her really big, like, yeah, it makes me emotional. Okay, I'm gonna stop here because I can't handle Aurora. Like, I was a baby when I discovered her, and she was also a baby. 10 years ago, I was almost 15. Oh god. I was expecting to cry, but I was not expecting to be a mess. But like, it really put me in my feels, like, old song that's been with us for a long time, from Aurora, orchestral version. I filmed several reactions today. This is the last one that I filmed because I knew it was gonna take me out. And it did. God, I feel like my cheeks are super hot. And... wow. I was not expecting that. This is also the reason why I don't listen to her that often. Because this is how I end up. My cheeks are so hot, oh my god. So please comment and let me know what you thought about The Flood, what you thought about the orchestral version of Runaway. If you liked this video, like it and share it with a friend. As you can see, I had a blast. I will link my playlist of reactions in the description. I will link my playlist of deep dives if you want me to do a deep dive on Aurora. So I spend hours crying. Let me know, why not? God, I don't think any other reaction took me out this bad, but I'm exhausted. She took everything from me. I'm just like, I think I've got to stop this video because I'm like a mess. Anyway, like, share, comment, please subscribe and activate the bell. I was your host, Leo. This was Aurora, and I will see you very soon. Bye.